Hey guys, in the last video I showed you how to create custom region of interest and use the cropping tool to create unique looks in the 3D reconstruction software. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the 3D viewing software to create custom palettes in the 3D reconstruction to get different visualizations, and then how to create custom MPR or multiplanar reconstruction palettes in the axial, coronal, and sagittal slices. And then one other question that you guys asked was how to have a better understanding of your orientation in the oblique slicing tab. So we'll address that as well. So first thing we will do is we'll take a look at the 3D reconstruction, and we will edit that so we can get a different view. So we're going to do that in 3D adjustments. You'll already have some presets, which you're probably familiar with. In order to adjust that, we are going to just use these sliders. We'll be able to, the colors generally correspond to a specific type of tissue, and we can also adjust our gradient threshold and our opacity to be able to see through some of the tissue, or for that matter, maybe reduce some scatter and things like that that tend to show up in some of these images. So if you want to, there are a couple of you folks have seen some of the custom ones that I've made. In order to, if you want to create views that are similar to this, and this will be maybe a little bit different than what you guys are used to, because this was taken also on a 8100 3D. You can change that by if your colors here are different, you can select those colors, change those, and then basically just mimic the settings that I have here. Once you have that done, you can click on the plus button here, create a palette, name it whatever you want, and click on OK. That will save that, and then it'll be available in your drop-down menu as well. All right, so in order to create custom MPR palettes, we will select our MPR adjustments, and same thing here. We can make our adjustments however you'd like to view your files. You will have some presets, and then you can save those in the same manner as the 3D adjustments. All right, so understanding of your orientation in the oblique slicing tab, you will have this was something that was brought out in an update. I'm not sure, I didn't check to see if this is something that you guys had available to you at the time, but we do have these orientation labels here that'll so we can understand if we're posterior, anterior, right, left, head and foot. And they do, as we rotate these around, they will change. We notice left and right switched around as I rotated this around. I'll do it one more time. We have anterior, posterior. So this will help us have a better understanding of our orientation in the oblique slicing tab. I'm going to check in with you guys as far as updating the software to make sure that you guys have the 3D viewing software that it's going to allow you to do what I just did with the orientations. And if you guys have any questions, though, please feel free to call or text or email. Thanks, guys.